Today I'm going to show you how to undo changes in WordPress with post revisions. No plugins, no code. Let's jump in. Log into your WordPress dashboard, click Posts in the left sidebar, then All Posts. Find the post you need to roll back. I'm using a post called Pricing Guide. Hover over the title and click Edit. When the editor opens, look at the Settings panel on the right. If it isn't open, click the gear icon in the top right. In the Post tab, find Revisions. Mine says Revisions 5, but yours may show a different number. Click Revisions. WordPress opens a comparison screen with two versions side by side and a slider at the top. The older version is on one side, the current version is on the other, and change text is highlighted. Before you click Restore, move through the history. Use the slider at the top or the previous and next arrows. Watch the date and time above the content so you know how far back you're going. The highlight colors can differ depending on your version, but they're usually green for added content and red for removed content. If you deleted a paragraph, an image, or a heading, keep moving backward until that content is visible again. I'm looking for the main content section I removed from this post. There it is. The missing block is back in the older version. That tells me I have the right revision selected. Now click Restore this revision. WordPress loads that older version into the editor. Do not close the screen yet. Review the content and make sure images, links, and headings are still intact. Then click Update. The restored version is now saved as the current version, and WordPress will create a new revision for this change. Pages follow the same path. Go to Pages in the left sidebar, then All Pages. Find the page you need to restore. I'm opening an About page. Click Edit, then open Revisions from the right sidebar. Browse back to the version that has the missing content, click Restore this revision, review the page, and click Update. But here's the mistake I see people make. If you only lost one sentence or one paragraph, don't restore the whole revision. Instead, select and copy that piece from the older version on the revision screen, close Revisions, return to the editor, and paste it into the current post. That way your newer changes stay where they are and only the missing text comes back. For example, if your original sentence says WordPress is easy to use, and you later changed it to WordPress is difficult to use, find the revision where the easy to use wording appears, copy that sentence, and paste it into the current post. You don't have to roll back every other update. And don't confuse revisions with the normal undo button. The undo button is the curved arrow in the editor toolbar. It only reverses recent changes while you're still in the same editing session. Revisions go back to saved versions from earlier sessions. If you saved a bad change yesterday, undo won't help. The revision history will. Before making a major change to an important post, check the revisions number first. Open the post and look for revisions in the right panel. If it shows at least one revision, you've got a safety net. WordPress saves revisions automatically when you save changes, but not every edit is kept forever. The number you see depends on your WordPress setup and how often the post was saved. If you don't see revisions, click the gear icon in the top right to open the Settings panel, then make sure the Post tab is selected. Some setups hide it under the three-dot menu. If it's still not there, revisions may not be enabled for that content type, or your theme may be keeping the panel hidden. After restoring, scroll the entire post. Check the text, headings, images, links, lists, buttons, and formatting. Then check the right sidebar for the featured image, categories, and tags. Revisions can sometimes leave those sidebar settings alone, but don't assume. Check. Click Preview to confirm the restored page looks right on the live site, then close the preview. If this saved a post for you, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.